Welcome to Genex Tech Industries, pioneers in precision-engineered spray dryers, trusted across the globe in food, pharma, and chemical industries. Spray drying is a high-efficiency, single-step process that transforms liquid feed into dry powder quickly and uniformly. At Genex, we design world-class systems used for producing powders from milk, food flavors, egg powder, proteins, herbal extracts, and more. Here's how it works. The feed is atomized into fine droplets using advanced rotary or pressure nozzles. These droplets instantly meet hot air, evaporating the moisture and leaving behind a uniform powder. The dried particles are then efficiently collected using cyclone separators. The process is continuous, sterile, and ideal for heat-sensitive materials. Our spray dryers are equipped with the latest atomization technologies. Rotary atomizers for consistent droplet control. Twist and dry pressure nozzles for coarser, clog-free operation. 2 fluid nozzles, perfect for high-viscosity materials and pilot-scale production. Every model is designed with flexibility, energy efficiency, and maximum recovery in mind. At Genex, we don't just manufacture machines. We deliver complete turnkey spray drying solutions across food, egg, coconut, herbs, spices, dairy, and chemical industries. With a global presence, robust technology, and expert support, we help you scale your processing with precision. Want to upgrade your drying process? Connect with Genex Tech Industries, where innovation meets reliability. Visit us at www.foodtechprojects.com or mail us at commercial@foodtechprojects.com.